Hello, Nenter. This is Charis. We are very honored to have you here today. Before we dive in, could you say hi to everyone and give a brief self-intro?
Sure. Thank you, Charis, for having me in 499. My name's Nenter. I'm currently the global CEO of BitMartExchange. We've been here for almost 8 years now in March. And, we are a global exchange focused on spot derivatives and, daily active volume of 3 billion on the spot side, around 23 billion on the derivative side. Very pleased to be here.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start with something you recently spoke about, the Web3 workplace and the talent development. What critical skills do you think are currently missing in the Web3 workforce, and how is BitMart continuing to nurturing the next generation of builders?
That's a good question, because it actually ties into our financial literacy and sort of a new internship initiative. As many know, it's very difficult to find the right fit for certain Web3 positions, especially at a crypto exchange. Now, the ones that I think we are currently looking for, they have to have a crypto native background, and B, also understand sort of the financial aspect of it. So finding talent that has a combination of both skills from the traditional finance side as well as Web3 understanding and nativity, I think, is very important. And what we've started doing, we launched our global internship program recently, and the idea is to really start recruiting actively from various universities around the world. Really to sort of find the talent that's interested to join Web3 early. I would say, in terms of critical skills that are missing, I wouldn't say that the existing workforce has anything missing. I just think that the industry has evolved, and you can see over the past year, right, with the changes in the regulation in the U.S. with stable coins and PayFi sort of really dominating mind share and activity, it only naturally makes sense for not just exchanges, but projects and various subsectors of Web3 to have personnel that really understands both the financial markets as well as Web3.
Yeah. So me personally, as a crypto native marketer, I'm also proactively learning the financial knowledge as well. So next question is, looking ahead, what's the roadmap for BitMart moving forward? How are you prioritizing growth, innovation, and community engagement in the next phase? Yeah.
It's a good question, because I think I've said in a couple of different panels and interviews, and I think Brian Armstrong has also mentioned it several times about becoming the everything app. The industry has evolved. I think exchanges have to evolve with it. And as our industry matures, the users demand more products. It's not only about meme coins and layer 1s, layer 2 DeFi coins. They want access to everything. If you look at the volume from even derivatives for commodities recently, that's very evident that users in Web3, they want to explore. They want access to different asset classes, which is very important. And for us, we want to provide those products to our users. Think of the what Robinhood has done, right? Where you have they're about to launch their checking and savings account, and they have the retirement side. And then you can trade crypto, TradFi, and have access to a variety of different assets, including private SpaceX stock. And I think I'm not saying that it's going to happen overnight, but I think that's the goal for every exchange. That needs to be the goal, including for BitMart. Now, what we've done this year, we've had a significant breakthrough in a lot of product launches. We launched our credit card, which is very highly regarded in the industry. We launched our AI products, our prediction market product, and our DEX wallet. So we continue to expand our product offerings, and we will continue to do so, via RWA products such as tokenized equities, commodities, etc. And the idea is to let our users have the optionality, and also at the same time provide them the tools that they need, right, to understand and to execute based on their risk appetite.
Yeah, that's impressive, all-in-one app. And thank you for bringing more TradFi and DeFi products to the users. And thank you for having you here today. And that's the end of the interview. And thank you so much.